Hello, all the lovely, beautiful people out there. Welcome back to our brand new episode of Dil Dosti Food. I am your new host and dost Nandita Patel. प्यार से मुझे आप मिनी भी बुला सकते हैं. So today we have come to this amazing joint called Akkad Bakkad Bombay Bo. Catchy name, right? Yes. So it's a fast food joint, not only across Mumbai, पर इसके बहुत सारे branches हैं और गुजरात में भी इनके branches हैं. So let's see what we have today. Come on. Hi Kian, what's up?
Hi, Minnie Mossy.
Okay, are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am also very hungry. So we have come to this place. Let's see. Akkad Bakkad Bombay Bo. देखते हैं क्या है इनके पास है sandwiches.
Pav bhaji too.
Pav bhaji
I already
too.
checked the menu.
You checked the menu? Wow.
Garlic.
Okay, they have garlic bread, they have regular sandwich, cheese sandwich, pizzas, milkshakes, soup.
Sweet.
Oh
That's
my
not
god. That's for the last, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. They have Chinese as well and they have some starters. Amazing. All right. So, guys, we're going to try, what's the best over here. And it's going to be some sandwiches and some milkshakes. तो आइए देखते हैं कि हमारा सैंडविच बन कैसे रहा है. देखने में बड़ा ही मज़ा आता है मुझे तो. आइए. ऑल राइट गाइज. सो यहाँ पे हमने ऑर्डर किया है फेमस यहाँ का बहुत ही चीज़ ब्लास्ट वेज सैंडविच. ओके, लुक्स अमेजिंग. इट्स लुकिंग वेरी टेम्पटिंग. एंड व्हाट वी हैव फॉर कियान?
I have pav bhaji because I love pav bhaji.
Wow,
Love.
Let's see. Oh my god, this looks loaded
The cheese.
Yes.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that.
I thought it was gonna be cheese full, but
Let's try. Very soft. It's got a nice crunch to the outside, and all the vegetables
It's
and
nice.
mayo and cheese is dripping out, so it's good.
smelling good. Let
take
me
another
try.
bite. You want to try? Awesome.
For me, the cheese tastes like mayonnaise.
I'm gonna try one more. क्योंकि एक से किसका पेट भरता है यार. Alright. So as I said, it's loaded with vegetables and cheese and
I
mayo.
didn't hear you saying that. Then I don't know what is she talking about.
So I was expecting a little more cheese to it. As the name says, it's a cheese blast.
Because when I tried it, had more mayonnaise.
So there is cheese, but more of mayonnaise in it. The overall taste is good. It's nice. It's decent. Soft. I am sure kids gonna love it because there's a lot of vegetables and mayo and soft and good.
And they will not even come to know it has vegetables in it. You can't taste the vegetables. So guys, I'm gonna do the taste test of my pav bhaji. Yoo-hoo!
All right, go for it.
I'm still scared.
Why are you scared?
It can be bad, guys.
Okay, so you like it with the onion on it.
Yeah, I'm an onion
Okay.
fan.
You're an onion fan too. Awesome. You want me to squeeze it for you?
Yeah.
Give. So, wow.
good. Ah, why isn't it coming? Yeah, now it's good. Good.
Good? Eat it first.
You liked it?
I love it. Not spicy at all and very good.
Thank you so much guys for watching this lovely and amazing video with us, and stay tuned because the next video is going to be crazy, it's going to be amazing, and it's going to be excited because there's something different that we are cooking up right now for you guys. Till then, do not forget to
Like, share and subscribe.
to our channel.
Dil Dosti Food.
till then, take care, be safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.